Hi guys, Dr. Chad here. Just want to go over an adjustment so you guys can understand exactly what we do here. At this point, we've actually already analyzed all of your x-rays, so I know Dr. Stevens' specific listings and where the adjustments need to go. So I just want to show you how gentle and how easy adjustment can go. So what I have here is just a couple drop pieces. It sounds kind of scary, it sounds pretty loud, but it actually makes the adjustment go really easy and really smooth. Just take a deep breath in for me, and breathe all the way out. Nice and relaxed, good. Perfect. Awesome. Alright, so all those nerves that I just adjusted actually is boosting his immune system by 48% right now, which is really cool. All the same nerves that go into his heart and his lungs, his stomach, all those organs now are actually functioning at a much higher level. So once you flip over and then sit up, I'm going to adjust that neck. This is actually the adjustment that most people are pretty nervous about, but I just want to show you how gentle it is. So I'm going to have you turn your head a little bit. What I'm going to do is a traction maneuver. Good. Other side here. Great. So why don't you sit up and then swing your legs this way. Lastly, what we do is we use this arthro-stem here. That actually helps lock the adjustment in and put the bones in a much better position. Why don't you tuck your chin a little bit? Great. Okay, so that's the adjustments. So feel free to come in and get the adjustment yourself. Thanks so much. Dr. Chad here.